Hi, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to create a custom report in GA4 to see purchaser's country and revenue. Basically, we need to understand which countries are generating the most purchases and where the highest revenue is coming from, because this insights helps us make smarter marketing decisions. However, to create this report, first we have to go to the GA4, and from here in the left side you will see here explore. Just click here, and from these explorations just select the blank on this one, and you can see here in the left side there are three options: segments, dimensions, and metrics. So in the second one, click on plus icon dimension, and from the search bar you can search the event, or you can see here is the event, and if I choose the event name and then I have to select the country, so here is the country. That's good. Then confirm, and from metrics again click on plus icon, and from here you can search here total revenue and total purchasers. Just click on confirm, and now you can see here from dimension you can double click here, or you can just drop down it here. Awesome. And here is the value. Again you can double click, or you can drop down. Fine. You can see here this is the time range, last 28 days. This is the purchase details. Okay, you can see here total purchasers 25, and the revenue from unit testers. This is the revenue. So in this way you can create the custom report that will help you to understand the purchaser's country and the revenue. I hope you could understand the full process, and if you have any questions or confusion, feel free to ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Stay with me by like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.